All right, scholars, make sure you're on page 4. It says adding with regrouping at the very tippity top. And you'll see, before we start the problem, look at the top right corner. Underline the word regrouping. Regrouping or carrying is the process of making groups of 10. Circle that. Groups of 10 when adding or subtracting multi-digit values. Now today we're just going to look at adding multi-digit values, and we're going to focus on how we regroup when we add. Let's look at the first problem here. Find 397 plus 465. Circle that. We're going to review two ways to do this. The first way is the place value method. To start this, draw your place value chart. Hundreds with an H, tens with a T, and ones with an O. Underline those and make a little chart. Well, our first number is 397. That has 3 hundreds, 9 tens, and 7 ones. And the next number is 465. That has 4 hundreds, 6 tens, and 5 ones. Put a line underneath all of that so we know those are our two numbers. We've lined up our values just like we practiced before, and now we're going to start with the smallest place value, which in this case is the ones. So we have 7 and 5 in the ones. Well, we know off to the side we can write, 7 plus 5 equals 12. So instead of just putting 12 in the ones section, let's think about the number 12. I'm going to circle that, do that on your paper. The number 12 has both tens and ones. In fact, we could break it up into 12 could become 10 and 2. That's 1 10 and 2 ones. So when we add, we keep things in their correct place value. So let's put the 2 in our ones, and then we have a 10, so we can put 1 10 right there in our 10 sections. So look at that again. The number 12, right here, the number 12 was broken into a 2 in our ones and a 10 in our tens. So we regrouped that 10 into the tens place. So we're done with our ones, let's look at our tens. Our tens, well, that's made up of, now we have 9 plus 6 plus 1. Well, off to the side, I'm just going to show you how we add these up. We have 9 plus 6 plus 1. Let's see what that gives us. 9 plus 6 is 15, plus 1 would give us 16. Well, that 16 is actually a little bit different because this isn't just a 9, a 6, and a 1. It's in the tens place, so it's a 90, a 60, and a 10. So we could do this. We could say, instead of that, we're going to do 90 plus 60 plus 10, and that's going to give us, 90 plus 60 is 150, plus 10 is 160. Interesting. So in our tens place, 90 plus 60 plus 10 gave us 160. Well, we can break this 160 into hundreds, tens, and ones. There's 100 in 160, so there's 100. And there are 6 tens, so that would give us 60. So we have 160, and that 0 in the ones place is just 0. So let's not write anything there. We have 160. All right, well, we can put a 6 here in the tens place, since we have 60, and then we have this 100. So let's just put a 1 in the hundreds place. That would be worth 100. All right, now let's just look at our hundreds, the only one left. We have 3 plus 4 plus 1. Well, 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 1 is 8. So 800, so it goes in the hundreds place. So our final answer would be 862. And that was the place value method. Now some of you might already know the next method, the standard algorithm. Here's how we set it up. Take your pencil. Here we go. We've got 397 plus 465. Oops, that was the wrong number. 465. Add these puppies up. Well, we start at the ones place again. 7 plus 5. We know that's 12. So we put a 2 in the ones place. And instead of doing all of the organization like method A, we're just going to take the 1 of 12 and move it over one place right on top. That's called regrouping. So now I have 1 plus 9 plus 6. And I know 1 plus 9 is 10, and 10 plus 6 is 16. So watch this. Put a 6 underneath the 10's place. And then the 16 had that 1 in front, so regroup the 1 into the hundreds place. Now let's look at our hundreds place. We have 1, we have 3, and we have 4. Well, if we add all those up, we would get 1 plus 3 is 4, plus another 4 is 8. 862. Put a bubbly thing around it so we know it's our final answer. 862. And you'll notice both methods gave us the same answer. Nice work, kids.